If you are confident, 101% nobody can fail you. This is my promise to you. If anyone can fail you, I will pay your next fees. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chef Somjit Singh channel. I hope you all are enjoying your day. This video is going to be very exciting today. A majority of the people ask me what are the benefits of your session and what are the benefits of your PDF. This video is especially for those who are doing job ready program and skill assessment as a chef. If you are in Australia, still you can apply for JRP or the skill assessment as a technical interview. If you are out of Australia or any other country or around the world, you can apply through any trade and you can get skill assessment through your trade. I hope it will give you the brief information. Why do you need my question PDF and why do you need session? When you appear in a JRP or when you appear in a skill assessment or technical interview, what question assessor asks you? There are two different things. When you apply for skill assessment for basis of 3 years experience, then you have a technical interview. This can be done offshore and onshore. Offshore, you must have the relevant experience of 3 years equivalent. Then you would be able to apply for skill assessment for any trade. It can be chef, baker, or bricklayer, carpenter, or painter, automotive, mechanic, any trade which you are working currently. When you buy that PDF from my end, what are the questions related on that PDF? How these questions will benefit you and what things are included in those questions. We will go one by one everything in this video. When you approach me and you ask for the PDF or the session, no doubt there are certain charges for it because this is not the Google questions, this is not from YouTube question, this is not from anywhere questions. One thing you must understand, these questions are from your actually SPR and EVR report. If you don't know about those, what is SPR and what is EVR, you can watch my previous video and I have clearly explained those reports. When it comes to buy the PDF, in PDF from beginning to end, all the questions are related to your SPR and EVR report. There is no any questions out of from EVR and SPR report. Yes, of course, there are some scenario-based questions which assessors may ask you because these PDF are based on students' experience, my experience, as well as PRA-based systems. So whatever is mentioned there, according to that methods and the materials, I collected all the information and search on it and I made those questions and write their answers. Being a trainer, I have been teaching hospitality from last 5 years and it is a vast knowledge of that experience. I am using all the answers with appropriate definitions. You will not find any information which is copied from somewhere or which is not relevant to the answers because I spent my quality time on it and I debrief all the questions by myself. Like let's say if I will appear in that exam, how I would answer or how I supposed to answer. So on the basis of those, I have mentioned all the question and answers on my PDF, which will help you to pass your JRP. On the other hand, if you do not buy the PDF or you can straight away get the session or the class, what will help you with that? When you come for session, the session is for everyone. I'm not saying the one who should not go to the kitchen, they should take session, or one who is afraid of and they got phobia and they are scared of the test or assessor, they should take session. Session is basically to give you boost, to give you the right direction and give you the how you will be answering your questions in front of assessor, because those questions I will be asking you in the sessions and you will be responding each and every questions same exactly as assessor is going to ask. There is no rush. I won't finish half an hour. I see the candidate, I see the student, how much they need to prepare and how much they are comfortable and how much they are confident about their test. Based on all the information, I go according in the session. It can be 1 hour, it can be 1.5 hours, it can be 2 or it can be over 2 hours. Unless the student says, sir, I'm very confident and I know everything, now I will do it and I will pass the test. So that's how session works. I do not want you to pay 2800 again for this test. I just want you to help it out, to give you the right direction and what you will be achieving or what you will be facing in your test, how difficult it is going to be. It will give you the clear picture and what questions you have to prepare and how you have to prepare and how you have to represent yourself in the test. That is the only thing I always provide, sessions and PDF. No doubt, on the other hand, if you watch all the YouTube videos, many students ask, the YouTube videos are not enough for me to prepare myself? Yes, 101% it will help you to prepare and pass your JRP test. However, you need to make sure that how well you are prepared, because I know there are heaps of questions I have uploaded on my YouTube videos, but there are few questions which casually we see in the workplace, we never discuss. There are some important things which we know already since we started Cert 3 and Cert 4, and we cannot discuss all the tiny things in the session which I never mentioned, because this is very casual. When we work in a kitchen, we always discuss those ones. If you are very familiar with the kitchen, your YouTube videos are absolutely a backbone to help you out this test. Even if you are also going to appear in a skill assessment as a technical interview, this is also a very beneficial. Do you think, are you well prepared? Many of the students always question me, assessor name is this, how is he? He is strict, he easily to pass the students. Why are you asking this question? Don't ask this question. Only ask this question to yourself. Am I prepared well? Am I confident enough? Am I working in this industry? Am I having all the information which I need to have? Question yourself. Don't talk about any assessor, because why I'm saying this doesn't matter. All the assessors are good. They are here to help you. They are here to pass you. But you have to make sure that you know all the information which is on SPR and EVR report. If you are confident, 101% nobody can fail you. This is my promise to you. If anyone can fail you, I will pay your next fees. This is my experience. This is my gut feeling. But you have to focus on yourself. Don't rely on assessor. They will pass you if you do not answer the questions. This is not happening, mate. This is not gonna happen. You have to make sure that you are well prepared. You have the enough knowledge. Yes, I do charge for the PDF, for the sessions, but it's for the cause. Because I do not want you to pay 2800 again to appear in the test. Saving small amount of money and you lose 2800. This is not the right call. I highly suggest you, if you need any one-on-one class, if you need any session, if you need any PDF, if you need to consult, I'm always there. This is not a promotion. This is a helping platform where I make videos and spend time and just educate you guys. You have to take it seriously and appear in the test. This is a tough time for all the students. I absolutely understand, but you guys have to understand, if you not prepare well, this will cost you a lot of money. If you follow right person with the right time, you can save your money and you can save your time, and it will benefit you in the both way. So I hope this will clear your thoughts. I'm always available. You can reach out through my social medias and on the TikTok, on the Instagram and the Facebook. All the links already been given on my YouTube channel, and you can also leave us a comment. And if you like this video, if you think this video is helpful you, just don't forget to like it. And I'll see you with the more information with the new videos. Till then, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care.